don't realize this about building an income online. 3 things you'd love about building an income online that no one really talks about. Number one, you don't get paid just once a week or once a month. You can get paid any time of the day. While you're at work, while you're making dinner, even in your sleep. And for you as a busy mom, that changes everything. Because you don't need to rely on just one salary. Number two, you don't have to message your friends or family. No awkward conversations, no feeling like you're selling. You can quietly build your business in your own time without bothering anyone. And number three, you're not doing everything manually. That's trading time with dollars. With the right system, things run automatically. Your content works, your email works, your system does the work. So you're not glued to your phone all day. And the best part, that changed everything for me. You don't even have to create your own products to start. You can learn, follow a simple system, and start building an income around your life. Not the other way around. So if you've been feeling like there has to be another way to earn without missing more of your kids growing up, this might be it for you. Comment ready and I'll show you exactly how you can start.